The Retail Motor Industry Organisation, RMI, strength in unity. There is an old African proverb that states, if you want to go quickly, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. For close on 110 years, both business and motoring customers have been going further and reaping the benefits by standing together with the Retail Motor Industry Organisation. The RMI and its team of specialists serves as the collective voice for an industry sector that not only contributes substantially towards South Africa's GDP, but is also a major employer and job creator. And while we are proud of our history that spans well over a century, our vision is firmly focused on the future. Through our international exposure, we help our members and consumers stay abreast of the dynamic motor industry, its technological and other advancements. To belong to the RMI, businesses have to meet stringent membership criteria. They must subscribe to the RMI Code of Conduct, comply with prescribed regulations, and adhere to strict quality standards to the benefit of both business and customers. Consumers can have total peace of mind when dealing with an RMI accredited business, while RMI members enjoy a host of business benefits such as industry-specific advice, support, assistance and training, specialist labour advice, and access to tailored business products. These include 24-hour legal advice for business, short-term business insurance, occupational health and safety support, and advice and assistance on BEE matters. The RMI is recognised by government, big business, relevant stakeholders, banking and insurance associations and regulatory bodies as the authoritative voice of the retail motor industry. Together with its associations, the RMI actively influences legislation to minimise the impact on member businesses, consumers and the industry. Through its ongoing engagement with regulatory bodies, the RMI defends the industry when compulsory specifications and standards are compromised. The RMI facilitates and mediates customer complaints and plays an important role in educating the motoring public. The RMI represents its members at centralised wage negotiations and looks after their interests at the industry-specific medical aid, provident and other funds, and actively drives training and skills development initiatives through the relevant SETAs. The RMI's strategic international partnerships further contribute towards adhering to global best practices and standards. The 13 reputable associations of the RMI represent all aspects of the South African motor retail industry, including independent workshops, franchised and pre-owned motor dealers, tyre dealers and fitment centres, motor body repairers, vehicle testing stations, petroleum retailers, engine remanufacturers, and vehicle body and trailer builders. From bumper to bumper and everything in between, dealing with an RMI accredited business offers consumers complete peace of mind. While for RMI members, belonging is better business. Join the RMI or visit an RMI member today, as together we can go a lot further. Visit the RMI website at www.rmi.org.za.